The next point that you really need to focus on is, do you need to figure it out yourself, or somebody is going to help you in migrating your workflow? Because so you went there, you found exactly the right infrastructure. You think that infrastructure will meet your requirements. You think that infrastructure has enough power, have enough resources to actually run your application smoothly and provide you with all the check boxes that you've had in place in terms of security and compliance, scalability, availability, all these major elements. But then how are you going to migrate there? Getting there is, finding the right, destination is one thing. Getting your workloads to that destination is a completely different story. Uh, and then one thing that you have to keep in mind, are you risking uptime while doing so? So, the three major items that we think you should mind over here is the project management aspect. Is this provider that you're banking on to migrate your workloads to the cloud? Does he have a very solid and proper project management practice in place? Because guess what? If you don't, you're gonna fall behind on your timelines, and that's this falling behind on your timelines means eventually losing a lot of money and being inefficient and unproductive for could be large spans of time. And then the next thing is they need to ask for, is there a risk mitigation process or plan in place? What if something happens when this particular migration is taking place and we end up going down? How are we going to mitigate that particular risk of something going wrong? And things do actually go wrong in IT. So that's also another consideration, a trust between the different team members of the decision that you're taking over here to move to the cloud. Always keep in mind that whoever is going to come and migrate you or migrate your workflows or workloads to the cloud has to be someone who has very strong project management practice in place, has to be someone who's able to provide you with a risk mitigation plan if something goes wrong, and has to be someone who's done it before and who planned it and worked it out for different customers, and you have solid and foundational expertise in doing so.